Recently made a video how we saved a lady $81,803 by placing her in CNC status. Moises Romero 8005 says, "Hey Alec, that's my last name. Congratulations on that win. How long will she remain on CNC? How long will it take for the 80K to fall off?" Well, that would depend obviously on her collection statute expiration date. I don't know off the top of my head. But the point of this is that this lady is on fixed income. Unless she wins a lottery or has some kind of huge liquidity event or something, she's gonna stay in CNC until this tax debt drops off, right? And by liquidity event, I would mean, she sells a home or something like this, right? So, yeah, I mean, it's basically good as gone, right? As long as she stays compliant with her taxes going forward. So, great question and a great win for one of our clients.